Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say rain don start. Make we no dey throway dirty anyhow for Edo State. Make e no go dey block gutters, dey cause erosion. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred. Enjoy the video.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Una good evening, good morning, good afternoon. We thank God for waiting to happen for our city, for Nigeria, and for Obodo Ibo. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Talker Masibi, or no shaking. My brother Victor in this motor with me this evening. I don't know whether they're changing name. My brother.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you want to take the connect with us again live this evening. My name is Victor.
So, my people, time there is for us to begin to clean our environment. Rainy season don't come. When it be say so many dirty now go begin the park, they come out for where they go hide put. And I say once rain they fall like this, so many people now go begin to carry dirty come out. They'll go to pour for inside rain. They'll go to pour for erosion. And the erosion now go carry the dirty. It will go to block a gutter. And we go to shout, government, gutter don't block. Who they block the gutter? Now, because me I know they do it. I know if you say me and you because I know they do. Victor know they do it. So I don't understand why be says some of us no are not join. So many people they go carry dirty, go put for rain. Once when they fall like this, dirty go erosion go carry the dirty, they'll go block gutter. In fact, at times when they drive they go, now some people go they drink ice cream, they go throw paper from inside motor to throw for road. So go they eat banana, they go throw and put for road. So go they eat pawpaw, they go throw the candle for road. So go lick orange, they go throw for road. So go drink pure water, they go throw for road. So I don't understand why we too are not join. Why our people dirty like this? Our people too dirty, and rain don't start oh. And time don't reach now for us to clean up our state. Now all these things when they talk, now people go to say with a joke, they'll say we not get work. Operation, make we wake up, make we begin to clean up our environment because the way dirty will take the enter people house so to say na witch, not be witch oh, now they invite witch come themselves. And at this one I go see talk say where the Ministry of Health, where environmental sanitation people, make them wake up to their responsibility. Make them begin they make them in fact make them go build a Victor they call that thing. Is it a mobile court? Make them set up mobile courts. Make them begin to move from house to house. If they see dirty for your house, 10,000 naira found. They'll pay you will pay 10k. But then you pay 10k read 20 times, your eye go clear. In fact, why you too dirty for Benin? If you go market or I saw people go carry dirty from the house, they'll go dump for market. I don't understand, my brother Victor, because the way everywhere dirty for town, operation clean up and don't say where one from start self. See everywhere dirty everywhere, street to community to dirty. Now so with the drive one day, one woman, educated woman, he planted the woman I will professor self. She leak not what she throw over Victor.
She don't throw a banana.
She throw a banana peel for center of road. We can't get to stop. Let Victor come and say, Madam, I thought you were learned. So if you see people there when you go school, when they say they go school, they throw away dirty for road, you go shock. People go drink water, center of road. People go drink ice cream, say they'll throw and through. I don't understand. So I beg, time don't reach for us to begin to wake up. Make we do the right thing. The law where Calabar State Governor, when the bishop they catch you, you go jete. I beg, make my governor implement that kind law for Benin, not Benin for Edo. Make we just share the go. Well, make I give microphone to my brother Victor because he does sit down like say never know what they happen. I not say so many things fully belle. Victor, make you talk to your people.
Yes, on a good
Take
evening.
microphone, make they hear you well.
On a good evening, everybody. All of us know say cleanliness is next to godliness, and that one is number one fact.
And God cannot do any dirty atmosphere
At all. That's number one fact. And number two, it is very, very alarming. Say as we don't reach for this our society, as technology don't even take go far when we say some of us whenever get opportunity to come up for Nigeria, at least we they see how Obodo Yibo and other countries they for our phones say we they look their country. But it is very appalling. Like yesterday morning, I enter one taxi. As we they go, I said, I'm from with the driver. Now he drink water. I say, drink water. I do pa. I say, throw her for road. Now I say, oh God. I say, why you put her for road now? He say, you know good. Now I look up. He say, mature man. No. Now I look. I say, no sir, it's not good. I say, okay, no verse. Now, if that man fit do that kind of thing, imagine the numbers of people when they do that particular thing for Edo State. We can't talk, they go. Now I can't tell and say, imagine say as you do and so me to do, everybody will say more to do. We can't they shout say make Obaseki, may employ people when we can't sweep this road. If you know employ people, will come start to the shout. Why we not play our own part? This amongst many others. Now we don't already experience on the sea road. I wish I feel show na. As they drive, they go for road. So now the road they very, very littered. Now, who do we expect to do all this?
Nah, my papa.
The same government, and we know say the government gets so much to do. In as much as we know say now still the government's efforts to ensure say they clean our environment. But which part we supposed to play as citizens of this state to ensure say we make our environment clean, most especially for our markets, like what the Apostle Fair talk initially. To be honest, for our market women know they try at all. They will just settle down, especially Sulu market. Once rain just they fall, you'll see them, they'll run come out with joy. They go they throw away their dirty inside the gutter, inside the drainage. Some houses they when we say they connect their soccer away to drainage.
You don't see the one for New Benin where we say tuning like they go to smell.
They
connect their sewage.
They connect their sheets. Their sheet pipe. They connect them to drainage, and I ask it
to gutter. Don't be the gutter.
To gutter. You know they covered. I say why people just be like this? Now the reality say rainy season don't start for Edo State. It don't show. Only the rain went for yesterday. As today, so you get where people don't fit drive their motor enter. As we speak inside Edo State, you get where people don't fit drive their motor enter. This is now where we say every stakeholders when supposed to ameliorate the issue of erosion for Edo State must come out now. Otherwise, so many people when we say water supposed to pass freely for front of their house, because say one person don't block front, water no fit pass again. This is now why we say it go dey very nice. Say the Ministry of Environment, even though say we don't enter the rainy season, I beg, may they help us come out with sensitization program. May they use several medias, but such as social media. May they use radio, may they use television. I beg, take the tell people. This now why you not supposed to pour dirty for inside drainage. This now why to pour dirty now.
To throw away dirty.
Okay, no verse.
They do like a bushman.
No verse. This now why you say throw away, me say pour. The throw away and the pour. Now see African language.
No verse now. Sorry.
Now is that the pidgin English with the
no verse. Nothing in the pour.
So it is very necessary. So we need to educate ourselves, educate the people. I beg, make no they throw away dirty inside gutter. Make all of us, especially people when get drainage for front of their house. It no cost anything to get people when go help you dig the sand when they already dey inside the drainage. If everybody fit do that kind of thing, if you know say drainage dey in front of your house, just clean up.
They know they get drainage to check gutter.
No, our people are educated.
You not educated woman when they throw the cheap for road. When they drink ice cream, she throw paper and she educated.
Okay, Apostle say more call and gutter. Say
Gutter.
na gutter. Now here do people
Nah,
understand?
gutter.
Okay.
Nah, no be drainage. Even the people that go school said, you know, see that they go drink pure water, they go to for road. You know, see, they don't eat banana finish. It's where they pee for set up the road for food for papa make papa come carry her.
No, what that woman do? And if you see her, she dey drive one big jeep. Oh.
Yeah, the jeep.
If you see her, she looks calm. Now I say, Apostle, pass this woman. As Apostle here, now I say, madam, why did you do that now? She just look at me like this.
Yeah, no.
Why did you do that? You know, they fair. Imagine say, see, we don't already. I don't drink this thing for the past 2 hours. It is inside motor. I don't drink it for the past 2 hours. It is inside motor. Why? Because I never reach where I go feed this car down. If I reach where I see, say, okay, fine. I see dustbin. The next thing I have to put on there. Or if I don't see, I will carry and reach house. Put her inside the waste bin for my house. And then when it reach time to make environmental people come carry and they will come carry for there. If our people fit get this kind of culture, to be honest,
no, it's terrible.
If our people fit,
it is terrible. Me myself the same self. I may no vex. I don't want to vex this evening. Me myself the shame. Me myself the shame. Our people una too dirty because me I not join. Una too dirty. Our people we too. Okay, me add myself. We too dirty because every street we enter dirty. It get well for the work for somebody. Now so the person carry dirty from your house. They put them for the front of the person house. Even when you know say we dey work. All the nyama, if we talk, now I go talk to them anyway when they come. So we are too dirty in this stage. So this is the need for all relevant authorities, stakeholders, make them wake up, make us, make them begin to sensitize the people. The need for us to keep our environment clean. In fact, you don't do an environmental lecture reach for this town. Maybe talk about CB, we need to go do environmental lecture now. We'll go do them. We go partner with God's Time Innovation. Make the share the fetus sensitize the people again. Because our attitude is too much. Cleanliness is God's to godliness. But make I tell you, the reason why most people don't say which they beat them, the environment too dirty. Because the Spirit of God no go fit dwell in a dirty atmosphere. You understand? Some of una cobweb go full window, it go full door. Why which no stay the cobweb? Why your grandpapa for village don't die, spirit no come high for the cobweb? But I see everywhere, our market everywhere dirty. Now the people they collect the so-called revenue. Where you know they use the money they do for market? Money when they collect for market. Where you know they use the money they do? At least people all this market people they pay tax. Make una they use that money. They pay the environmental people where want to carry the dirty. Okay, go check different area now. Rain don't start. Just go check all the canal. The one where Oshomo they collect 30 billion to do. Clement Basin at 22 million and they spend. Go see all the gutter. Go see all the stormwater project. Pure water, cellophane, ragolic water. Yeah. Even people now go channel their toilet. Go put for soccer for canal. No be canal, na Lagos and be canal. Yeah, what did they call this at Victor that year? Gully. They go channel their poo, no be poo, shit from their house. They'll go channel them. It get where me Victor would go, it on get a bit of that. They don't say, may not go fence, no be anointing. Because if we friend us, say, pastor don't follow, no be with the hungry that day. Now we say make we shop. My brother, everywhere they smell. Now say Victor, now shit, these people connect for soccer away. So all the pee, whether they pee for that house, straight to soccer away. Why we do the wicked like this? Why would they do? Anyway, make a reserve my comment first. Victor, I better take my microphone because see, we there. We know how much we tell I motor now. What tell we carry the whole state. For our bicycle now, it don't spoil. Now we begin the higher motor. And as we go everywhere dirty. Anyway, make her not talk. My Victor, make you talk to them.
all right. We won't call on, especially landlords of communities.
God bless you.
Landlords of communities. Rainy season don't start. Truth be told, say Obaseki no fit enter every community.
You no go fit.
That's the truth. We have to be realistic to ourselves. if they say make all the adjoining street for Edo State now, maybe they call on Obaseki and Mojo no say we ready tear our apart. So we believe say each landlord for their streets supposed to organize at least to help ameliorate the issue of erosion. Why? Because it get where we don't drive past, even as we come now. It get where we drive reach, we need to park our vehicle, use leg take cross to the other side before we fit waka. Now when we finish, what we go do? We can use leg waka cross again before we can enter our motor. Now we can imagine say, how about people when they leave
For that area.
for that area? Is that how they will be moving? They will drive reach one place, they will park. I remember that time when I see the Lagos. You get one road when we always pass. That road, as you dey go walk, people when get motor, they employ bike rider when they pay salary every month. So as they drive, they come, they will park for here. They go use leg, they cross the Paco Bridge.
That's so.
Their bike rider, they the other side. The bike rider go carry them reach office. If they close in the evening, the bike rider will come pick them for office, carry them reach that place again. They go cross. If they cross, they enter their motor. Then they pay the bike rider every month.
Why they, Victor Professor, why they not gather that money for bike? They do that road.
You know, yeah, so.
They go, they wait for government.
So we dey wait for government. Again, when we drive go again today around the Welu side, eh? Now, say people they stay here, so see houses full everywhere, and I'm like, when they wait for government to reach this side
They go wait tire.
for this work when we know we're full everywhere, and more importantly as well, our local government representatives.
May they wake up.
They really they get this where they know they do to draw the governor attention to. Why? Because the governor cannot be in the 18 local government and in those communities. As such, this now why they break down the tiers of government from governor to local government chairman, then to councillors, to ensure say development will fit step down to local communities. But it's very obvious. Say once these people they elected, now their own project.
My brother, turn this camera and make them see the two people for next quarter. Okay. Just say, don't know for front. They talk, me they hear you.
Now let me see so.
Me they see gutter, me they see the two for gutter.
So this now we dey along Sapele Road. This is not part of what we dey talk. See dirty for road. Once the car move, now we see them. So and this place now, it already block.
Yeah, the gutter don't block.
The gutter don't block. See and sand don't fall everywhere.
Opposite, this one, see filling station now.
The gutter don't block. And a day in front of filling station, people when they sell fuel for us 200 naira per liter, when they make money every second.
215 naira.
So this now when they talk say landlords of communities. Now they see the gutter be this so. Now see this slab.
Una just see dirty. Una just see dirty. See ragoli water, so everything.
Now see huh?
Una just see everywhere cover.
So it's covered already. The drainage already covered.
Is covered.
Now see the drainage already covered.
For front of filling station, no. Wait there for the collect 200 naira per liter.
The drainage already covered.
Because of dirty.
Now see this one. This one try pack your come out small.
This one pack you.
Now see so this one try pack your.
Pack you.
This is now waiting with the talk say if everybody fit do it, but stand see the inside though. But he pack small, come out. Now no fit compare am to the way when I look on small. This one dey front small. You see they clean a little
you know,
bit.
the grass not supposed to this area, my brother Victor. Here na center of Benin. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
See grass not supposed to. See dirty for road. Thank you, my brother. But give me this mic away. See, my people, we go continue to talk am as e dey be. Because no, leave am make dem see the road. Oh, Shobe not be one man work. All these areas are where dirty dey so. E suppose to dey good. They plant flower. They go plant grass. E go fine. E go fine well. Our environment, I don't know. It's so appalling. This one are the one that say na be Igbenedi hospital. Just see the front. So dirty. See grass. you can't maintain it. Even person they now a piece of front of fence. I don't know. I don't know. So we need to wake up. I be answer. What you talk?
Oche Frank say Apostle, you are totally wrong on this. It is a duty of the elected government to provide good roads for our citizens. Okay. You are wrong, sir, and at the same time you are right. Yes, you are wrong, sir, and at the same time you are right. Now this is it, that in setting goals, we use what we call the SMART rule to set goals. And the SMART rule simply means that the goals must be specific, that the goals must be measurable, that your goals must be achievable, that the goals must be realistic, and the goal must have a time frame. Now, Sir Oche Frank, please follow me carefully. Now, when I say that you are right and you are wrong,
You speak in English.
now the duty of our elected government to provide roads for our citizens, very true. But if we want to go through the SMART rule in setting goals, Mona, don't forget, say I just defined the SMART rule. I define SMART, and now the S means say the goals must be specific, the goals must be measurable, it must be achievable. That's the A. The R is must be realistic, and the T must have a time frame. Now, when we don't already do this rainy season now, and we get these issues, are we saying that the governor will be in the 18 local government right now and in all communities right now? No, sir. The governor cannot be everywhere now.
Who get this place? Not the person get here.
So
They not be clearer. No wait. I mean, I had that brother. So now governor can't help you clear in front of your gutter whenever they do business. They not be clear your plant flower pot, make it fine. Wanna say everywhere now. He put this one and we wait for governor to come do this one. My brother, she got her, graduate got her. In the front of business premises. Who get this business? I don't think of maintain front of a business. That's the reason why the government of the day will begin to announce law. Anyone will do any other, be like kind of put for mobile court.
So this now why we say, if this now our goal now to see say we feel help ourselves reduce the issue of erosion now because of the time frame. How realistic is it? Say the governor of enter the 18 local government now. It's not realistic, sir. So this is now why we say we need to call ourselves out. We're not pointing fingers at anybody, but we are saying that if we understand democracy properly, if we call ourselves out, and the government still say we don't call ourselves out, the government is just like what they do so now. Imagine say other 19 people they do this kind of thing, so you believe say government no dey on their toes?
Before I come.
Government go dey on their toes, oh. So imagine say we know they do this one now. Even you no get this information. Yes, now.
What? See, more than see grass. Now governor will come clear in front of your business premises. See grass. Just see grass. See where, see dirty. So make we dey tell ourselves the truth. No, they hear me. More they tell ourselves the truth. Who get this company for the same motto? He not nothing that will maintain the front. When did the reason why we they call on the local government chairman when they come out, so all of una go away, una fail. Una wake up to that responsibility to do the right thing. See that in front of Chicken Republic. See that in front of Chicken Republic.
Chicken Republic.
Okada. See in front of Okada. There are people everywhere. So make we they talk as it they be.
The Kada finds more.
Yeah, which you not see Kada she dirty, they take Kada fine for which one be fine.
No, that place.
That side dirty.
This place finds more.
Yes, why? We don't be one person get the two places. They don't go to control them.
There was some.
I bet money let me finish this evening.
No verse. There was some.
Go soon.
There was some. When I see the dirty, when I see the dirty, so.
Yeah. That one and a moat. Then they cover so moat. Then they cover so. By the time you see that don't rush go their house. They go to blame government. We government arrest and don't back everywhere. Meanwhile now the youth dirty they block everywhere. I beg you.
So all this now waiting with the doctor. After they talk,
see pure water for road. See pure water for road.
So as I talk, they go. I believe say go dey very nice. Say landlords for our communities, I beg and make the fee in one way or the other. Fee come out in one way or the other. Make the fee come out to see how the fee take salvage the issue of this rainy season. Why? Because say this year rainy season, no be waiting the person of predict to be honest. Now they see the way cloud.
Everywhere don't change.
Everywhere don't change. Everywhere don't change. Everywhere don't change. Muna see so. Now they see so. Everywhere don't change. As we speak, so yes, the one went for yesterday. Now ice block 4. Rain. The rain went for yesterday. The 4 ice block. This has to make us understand. Say, this thing where you get one thing you they call global warming, climate change. That thing they very disastrous. So even the word they fear as we speak right now because of the issue of global warming, climate change. Now see everywhere it dark. So now they see the road. Now they see the road. So we they say it go dey very okay. I beg landlords for coming. This one too. I want to talk this one. Youth. I beg.
When I wake up.
Youth. It get one place when we drive past. I think Apostle say, I wish that this place that they live or they say for this community. He look me. He say wait. I say one Saturday morning, I'll just organize like 4 of my guys. We don't enter here. Where they play music, they pick all this dirty, they go. That place is so dirty. I would like call that that what's it called? That road.
I never forget the road to say you don't come up from my man, so
that place is so dirty. I mean that place is so that place is so dirty. To road. Line on full ground.
Person say those to be like does me. You are very correct, oh.
To road, line on full ground. Or like people they live for this place, so and guess what? Now university community, oh.
My brother, see basket. See basket with dirty, oh. For center of road. They see the basket with dirty. See, you don't see Okua. I better remove this flag, my brother. Remove that flag. Make them share everything, though. We'll ban down for you. Thank you. Don't first, No first, though. When I see Okua for center of road, oh. Maybe now one small beginner go ahead put for that now. When I see this one a center pavement, when I just see that oh God.
They go from see they say I don't see that for.
You see that for center of road. I beg, just put a minute and see where. So, what are we doing for crying out loud? Waste management, but when I wake up, when I just see road, see dirty. So now governor come to do this one. Governor now come to remove this dirty for center of road. What is you?
So we need to help ourselves, to be honest. Why? Because if what's come to us, Obasa can go use the helicopter.
You go take off. Chai Buana, they go take off.
If he just say everything no work again.
Never say anything.
He go carry helicopter, he go move.
He don't come out.
Now we
see dirty. Oh my God. I bet Mona they show that. See dirty. Where are the waste management board for crying out loud? Mona just see dirty. All these dirty now, please go carry them now. They'll go block gutter.
Yeah.
And some people now, they wait and many days your phone now. All the dirty they don't gather from market, they'll go through the gutter.
Straight up.
Then I would shout, hey oh, erosion are taking over my house. Oh, why erosion don't carry on the house? When the people now, they connect toilet, they put for gutter. Who now carry dirty, put for road. Who drink pure water for road? Who eat my mind for road? Who can clip in yash pampan for road? Waiting.
Okay. Alright, Steve Osage. Okay, sure, it's the responsibility of the government to provide roads and other infrastructure, but it is the responsibility of the citizens to mess up the same infrastructure or than join hands with government, with government to maintain and keep the infrastructure at high standards. People need to imbibe same maintenance culture into every aspect of their lives.
Don't talk and finish, my brother.
Very, very, very interactive contribution. Thank you so very much for that contribution, which now very, very true. It is the responsibility of the government. Yes, responsibility of the government. but when if we analyze the work when government need to do, we know say we need to play our own part too.
We need to play our that. Not be with the trade that they for set up rule, my brother.
Wow, God's time help me. So all this is lack of moral upbringing. We have to start this from kindergarten stage. Nice word. Very true. Very, 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 very true. Many of us will not get opportunity to learn some values in terms of cleanliness, in terms of ethics, so many things. We just grow. Like some people say we grow for street. We grow for street. You don't get how hungry they beat me rich. I don't feel eat for inside to get to the bus.
Of Nepa now. She grass. Oh, you know, Chris. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Everywhere the tea. So, my people, make we wake up. Make we begin to help ourselves. That's why I go beg my governor, we can see governor, sir. Set up a mobile court. Then empower the environmental committee, sanitation committee. Then which will be the people that wear red, white, and brown, which will be their name?
No, that's be
health workers.
Yeah.
Make una wake up to their responsibility. But the problem we actually get for you and my brother, all these people now, the name of my brother, my mama, you no go let them walk. Because then the chairman became when I leave Amo. I don't know.
Now see the way the weather don't change so. Now correct rain one for so correct one. Correct rain one for so. As we speak so people know if you come out from the house tomorrow morning.
Go where?
As we speak so, some people water go enter their house.
They don't enter before.
As we speak so, water go enter some people's house because of our own negligence at some point in time. Why? Because some of us now them still they throw away what dirty inside the gully when we talk. Some will just carry dirty just throw away inside, and then all those communities when we say they sell land, those community chairmen, them to get responsibilities. Why? Because they sell land. Nothing bad if they feel also dig drainage for their communities. Nothing bad. Why?
People never think
we don't reach stage to realize say now we do they help ourselves. I don't see the weather so the rain don't start. So as this rain they fall so and they talk am, let me say I just talk and say belle dey. Some people know if you come out from their house tomorrow morning. As we speak, some people water go enter inside their house. So please, it go dey very necessary say we educate ourselves. And then the Ministry of Environment, please, we should have a strong sensitization campaign. Please make use of flyers. E-flyers, make use of the internet, use radio, I beg. No, na use television. Take the tell people this is how and why we must keep our communities clean. Okay, SARS and NOG say in Europe every community have their workers who clean up the cities. That's so it's supposed to be. But if we say we put them for here, before you know, this one go say now my person must be there. Now before you know, you carry their pikin when no go even work, go dey collect salary. So all these things now, this when they discourage government over time. But when they say the Obaseki government also must try and help our people, because in one way or the other, our people need help. Apostle, sir.
My people, make them share. Okay, rain. See what they talk now. Rain don't start now, and very soon now, all the dirty way people don't hide, they go begin to come out. They go they enter erosion. Now go they pack them. They put for gutter. Everywhere now go block. See, climate, you know they call climate change. Now climate change be this so. We not supposed to rainy season, but we don't do rainy season now. Why? Because things it they change. My people, we go they talk as they be. make our people begin to wake up to clean up their environment. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You cannot be godly when your environment is dirty and untidy. So my people, we use God beg una, make una wake up, make una begin to clean up una environment. Those of una wey dey throw away dirty for gutter, we use God beg una, make una no dey carry dirty dey put for gutter. All those our market mama now wey dey wait now to pack dirty put for road, we use God beg una, make una stop am. And this the reason why we dey call on all relevant authority, make una wake up to do the right thing. Edo State no go fit be like Calabar. E dey bad say Edo State clean like Calabar. E no dey bad. See Wike now see dey try for Cross River now to ensure say the environment dey clean. So abeg operation clean up Edo State. So we don't know say rain wan fall o, we just say rain don start, rain begin dey fall. Abi na Victor come command the rain make e fall, I don't know where my people mona share now. Everywhere na don dark. Abeg wagakoba kugbe na ya dole doyi wala wo wagi mu iku ye a gutter. And there are some houses for New Benin area, they connect out talk away to drainage to drainage. Abeg.
Yes, the issue of environment and the issue when we say each and every one of us must chook our mouth. Why? Because say no be say na wetin no consign me. The road, and everybody dey pass the road. Everybody na dey pass the road, and because na everybody dey pass the road, then that means say all of us must help push for this campaign to keep our environment clean. Why? Because say if our environment no dey clean, then we will be a victim of circumstances. And when I say victim of circumstances, that means say many of us, if you know what happen to you directly, but take am or leave am, your brothers and sisters fit no get access to their house anymore. Abeg, make we help push this campaign on how we fit take keep our environment clean. Please, if you dey watch this video now, you go watch am after. Abeg, if you dey inside bus and you chop anything, abeg no throw am for window, no throw am for road. Abeg, if you no be you throway am, na person when you sit down near, abeg e get the way you take tell am, say bros, that thing wey you do so e no too good o. I know say many people their head dey skip because if you just go talk, you just hear abeg na you clean pass. Before you know, quarrel don start. So before you tell the person, you first look the person eye well. If the person if the eye clear, you tell say bros, that's what you do so e no too good o, or mama, that thing no too good o. You understand? Make e no go be say
mona share now talk it. You see hold up everywhere now. Everybody one part at the same time. They don't block.
Operation I'm in a hurry, you are in a hurry.
They don't block everywhere.
So all of us with the hurry, they chook our head. Hurry, they chook our, and rain dey fall. You know, we expect anybody may dey this place under the rain by this time to help us. We don't find our way coming. And I don't say Nigeria, we need to help ourselves. This is why we dey say for this environmental matter too, all of us must help ourselves. We must help ourselves. So please, if you dey inside bus, you see say person chop something, you throw am for road, abeg help us find the right way to take tell am peacefully. Abeg ensure say e no cause quarrel. Like I talk,
if you want cause quarrel, make you cause quarrel since people don dey play.
May no cause quarrel.
If you wan cause quarrel, make we quarrel once and for all. Wetin? Since we don dey play, wetin we see for inside? Why they talk like this? My brother, if we quarrel, make we quarrel. After quarrel, we settle. Yes. After
they don't tell the person yet.
Make it cheer up, we'll go swam.
After you don't boss yet.
You know we will go to town. Yes.
How to Nigeria matter.
I don't say that one shall.
Okay. Imagine me come be like say, the person wedding na next week Saturday. Make they come blow it.
Change the thing now. Oh, you know quick share.
Yeah. So I beg, find the right way to tell the person. If you see the person eye no clear, I better no talk.
Just talk. You know if you tell you talk.
Okay.
Talk.
I'll call a person number give you now.
Put my number there, make they call me.
I'll call you see that if
you shout, call me.
You call a person. Yeah, that's number one. Then number two, I beg, for our various houses, please, mo no throw away dirty for inside gutter. I beg, mo no throw dirty for inside gutter. If you know say gutter dey in front of your house, please mobilize with 3,000, with 5,000. No, pack am. If you know say you don get son when don dey able-bodied, give am shovel, make e come out. One cool Saturday morning, early in the morning, after 6 to 7, before sun come out.
Make we start operation one against indiscipline.
Before sun come out, make you do am. Una understand? And then landlords for our different communities, I beg, una see the way una fit take all una usual meetings to take solve this issue. Why? Because say we know wetin we dey talk about the issue of environment.
My people, you know, say our honor to the talk as it be. Tell friend truth, you know, they spoil friend, but now truth now they spoil so many friends, and a lot of people don't go really they happy for what they talk, but we'll continue to the talk as it be. Sham now everywhere don't block because nobody there to control road. Naturally, if traffic light there, things they walk where, all man go sit down where, go do the right thing. So my people, rain don't start now. Everywhere now, the China go full everywhere. So I beg, make we keep our environment clean. Make we make sure say things they go well for our country and for our society. To repair community, no be only government work. Now everybody work. That's the reason why we must all join hands together to take repair our state and our country, and God will bless this my try. So my people, on a very very serious note, Edo people, a lot of us are too dirty. That's the truth of the matter. Even the ones where they say they're very educated, now they're quite even dirty pass. Even some persons now, able to pay waste management to come carry dirty for their house, they no agree pay. They go prefer to go carry that dirty, go through it for their neighbor compound. They no agree pay, they'll go through that dirty for their neighbor compound. So by the time rain fall, they don't carry the dirty come out. So we'll go say that they burn her. Even to even burn dirty, now bad when I see the center of road, the dirty, you know quick share. This one are forestry now, dirty full center of road. That's the reason why as local government election will soon come, we will ensure that our person will go deliver. We no go call you council money till they do anyhow. Person will go fit clean up our environment. Now go come out for local government chairman election because all these women you come out, so all of them are F9. Apart from Igbo Banka, that one still try. So make we dey talk am as they be. This one are forestry now. The thing I know they full everywhere. I just pray make we see road enter house because it get as it be.
Tom line
For
go block.
Okay.
They imagine the kind of erosion we go to that place now. Oh, as they speak so, the erosion don't start to voila.
See the thing now. See the thing for everywhere.
Oh, how many rain don't fall now? I beg. More we educate ourselves, I beg. More we educate ourselves, I beg.
Serious education.
Okay, God's time Ekman said pastors pastors have to start teaching members on moral behavior because some people think it's normal to dispose waste anyhow. They need more enlightenment. Yes, our churches now part of the stakeholders, our churches, our mosques, yes, because why? Our people they go church, our people they go mosques. So our pastors, our imams and the rest of them, they must also begin to teach people on morals. Why? If our pastors too, for our imams too, for mosques, fee they help us. They tell the people say see oh, this now why you don't need to do this. At least people too go to get access to information. As we do so, everywhere don't block. Guess what? Because we reinforce so. This is what we talk so. because say this rain just start so as we dey so everywhere don block so in a nutshell na our responsibility to ensure say we join hands together with government to see how we fit take get a safe environment for ourselves. Thank you so very much for tuning in with us again this evening. Don't forget say Talk Amasibi na una ogbonge online program wey be say we go dey give una information up to date, undermining una location anywhere una dey for the world. My name still remain Victor Olise.
Before we quickly go, because Olise, don't introduce yourself. My people, abeg, make una tell una people, make dem stop to dey throway dirty for road. Those of una wey dey drive motor, make una stop to dey throway dirty from inside motor dey put for road. We use God beg una. Make we begin to see how we fit help the government. See, the people say make we help ourselves. Make we help ourselves so that our community go feel good again. So now here we go talk am reach. My name is Mayor Apostle Alfred Uinosa. My people, una do well. God bless all of una. Now good night.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you get anything to add, join with Apostle Alfred don't talk today for this video. You fit put your own for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear everything where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.